Let's see how it works, the Rarible Discover bot. As simple as starting the conversation with the bot in Telegram, and then choose a category and see the different sections, such as art, photos, games, and domains. For example, here you can find all the collections from the Rarible Discover API for art. You can click here for keep scrolling and find and discover new collections. Now we're gonna see, for example, games, and you can find also their creators and the price. Now we're gonna see photos, this a different category, and you can keep discovering different items from the Rarible Marketplace. Now we're gonna go to the domains and see all the possibilities that we can find here, and you can keep scrolling for more. Once you decide which of these items you're interested in, just click in the Rarible link and pay instantly. As you can see here, it's loading, and you can log in with your account. We're almost done. It's detecting my device and my account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to pay. As you can see here, just click buy. And you're ready to make the purchase.